What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I was driving my car. We got into a little bit of an argument. She saw a girl text my phone, so she took it and just threw it out the window, and then a car ran over it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I don't care what you do with the phone. You can change the color. It's all right, as long as I get my data.
Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you.
This doesn't look good, but we're gonna try and see if I can fix this. I'm going to change the whole thing. Literally new frame, new screen and everything. Let's go. Surgery time. Front camera. This is all left from the front camera. The whole thing is gone. Main mode looks good. And I'll remove the front screen. So this screen comes with the side buttons. Look at that. Is this permanent? We're gonna take the proximity sensor. Surprisingly, looks clean. Let's remove the battery too. Basura. The camera is gone on here. Nothing in here. But I need a new camera. Basura. This frame, I'm gonna put it in rice and fix it like that. So let's see. Alright, time to install everything. I'm gonna put everything on the original one. That's his proximity sensor. Alright, screen is ready. I have my new frame ready. We're gonna install everything now on here. This is the old one, this is the new one. I'm not using this, it's all broken. Old camera, we're gonna install new camera and Apple. Front camera was gone. I'm installing a new one. This was all we have left for the back glass. We're gonna install this one. Oops, I forgot to put this battery back. Your phone is ready, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Now it's good to go. Yeah, it's like brand new now. Check, make sure everything is in there.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much. I knew you would be able to do this.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry I did that.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
But if it happens again, we'll just come back.
You know where to come now.
Exactly. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause takes.